Imagine say your husband carry another woman go marry. Meanwhile, you dey house dey cook stew. Na so one case land for Lagos court, and the twist e shock everybody. Make I yarn you. If na your first time here, welcome to Make We Yan Tori, where we dey break law stories for your side every day. No darling, make you no forget to subscribe, like and share. So e be like this. Musa and Zainab don marry for court marriage since 5 years ago. Everything legit. Ring, certificate, small jollof, full package. Life dey go normal until one day, Zainab begin notice say Musa dey hide phone, dey travel business trip every weekend. One fateful afternoon, her friend see Musa for another area with another woman wey dem dey call Iyawo. Na so Zainab head scatter. She investigate small. Na there she discover say Musa don go do another marriage with Aisha, quiet, no tell anybody. But here be the problem. Musa forget say the first marriage wey him do na court marriage, and that one no allow second wife. Na so matter carry enter court. Court full that day. Everybody dey wait gist. Judge Lawal look Musa. Musa, you marry Zainab under the Marriage Act? Musa dey sweat. Yes, my lord. Judge continue. And you still go marry another woman? Musa stammer. My lord, na religion allow am. Judge shake head. Religion allow am, yes, but law no allow you mix both. You no fit do court marriage, come still marry another wife. Court just go silent, then small murmuring start. Aisha's face change immediately because na that moment she realize say she no even legally be wife. Zainab just sit down one side like queen wey win case already. Judge Lawal rule, second marriage no valid. Marriage matter no be trial and error. If you choose court marriage, you no fit add second wife later. Law no dey play. Abeg, if you be Zainab, wetin you go do? Forgive or waka? Or if you be Aisha nko, drop your comment make we gist. Till next time, na Make We Yan Tori, where gist dey teach sense.